Hi everyone, hi Miss Mia. We are from Group 10, which is consists of I am Sonia Saputri and my partner is Selinor Marcella. We would like to present about conversation analysis. Conversation analysis is a method of studying social interaction, especially the way people produce and understand talk in everyday life. It involves a detailed examination of the structure, sequence, and pattern of conversation to uncover the underlying rules or practice that participants use to communicate effectively. For the key feature of conversation analysis include the first one is turn taking. Turn taking is analyzing how people take turns speaking and how this process is managed. And the second one is adjacency pairs. Adjacency pairs is examining paired conversation elements like question and answer or greeting and responses. And the third one is repair mechanism. Repair mechanism is identifying how participants address misunderstanding or communication breakdowns. And the last is sequential organization. Sequential organization is observing how one part of a conversation relates to what comes before or after. Here, for the example, for each of the key here is an example for each of the key features of conversation analysis. The first one is turn taking. A. Here are the example of conversation. The first one is turn taking. Example A. How was your weekend? B. It was great. I went hiking. What about yours? Pretty relation. I stay home. Here, participants manage turn without interruption or overlap, following an implicit social rule of letting one person speak at a time. The second one is adjacency pairs. Example A. Hi, how are you? B. I'm good, thanks. And you? This is a classic adjacency pairs. A greeting followed by a reciprocal response. And the next is example of repair mechanism. A. I will pick up you at 7 a.m. tomorrow. B. Wait, did you mean 7 a.m. or 7 p.m.? Oh, sorry, I mean 7 p.m. Here, B notice a potential misunderstanding and seeks clarification, which are addresses. The next is sequential organization. Here the example of sequential organization. A. Have you seen my phone? B. It is on the kitchen counter. A. Ah, thanks. The sequence unfolds logically. A question leads to an answer, which is followed by an acknowledgement. Thank you, and the next material will be presented by Selinor Marcella.
Now I'll talk about the articles in the conversation analysis. The first one is questioning precedents, journalistic difference, and adversarialness in press conferences. The authors of this article are Clayman S. and Heritage G. It is published in Journal of Communication on 2002. In this article, Clayman and Heritage employ CA to investigate the structure nature of interaction during U.S. presidential press conferences. Also, they analyze how journalists manage turn-taking and formulate questions that balance difference of politeness or respect and adversarialness of challenging authority. The study demonstrates how institutional norms and expectations shape these communicative practices, and this reflects the CA principle of examining conversation as an organized, well-governed activity where even intellectualized thought follows patterns such as who speaks, when, and how responses are given. The article shows how CA helps uncover implicit strategies to navigate spatial roles and maintain order in high stakes communication. And the second journal that I will talk is Contingency in Action, a comparison of two forms of requesting. The authors of this article are Carl T.S. and Drew P. It is published in Research on Language and Social Interaction in 2008. Carl and Drew's study compares direct and indirect forms of requesting, illustrating how participants adjust their speech based on the social context and situational contingencies. Yes. For instance, a direct request might be used in an urgent scenario, whereas an indirect one might soften the imposition in a sensitive situation. The article amplifies CA focus on context-sensitive interaction and the methods people use to manage social relationships through talk. By closely examining turn design, sequence, and the recipient's response, the study demonstrates how CA provides a framework for understanding the micro-level practices that underpin everyday communication and reveal the sociologic participants use. And the last article that I will talk is a universal word conversational in structure and the convergent evolution of linguistic items. The authors of this article are the Mens, Toira, and Enveld NJ, published in PLOS One in 2013. Using CA, they analyze how HA is used to signal problems in understanding, allowing speakers to repair communication breakdowns. And this article illustrates CA focus on repair mechanism, a key feature of conversational organization, which ensures mutual understanding in interaction. It also highlights how even a simple utterance follows systematic conversational rules, providing insight into the shared infrastructure of human communication. And by connecting a conversational practices across diverse languages, the study underscores CA utility in identifying both cultural specificity and universality in communication. That's all from me. Sorry, mistake. That's all from us. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.